Sila.
All I see is love. I feel no anything. I feel the youths. Full them up a love cannon. Sometimes it feel all battered and bruised. Still I full them up a love cannon. And I recruit all kind of youth. Full them up a love cannon. I've got nothing to prove. Full them up a love cannon. I tell you this, life is like a battlefield. Youths are hungry, every day them in a need. Will someone hear them, take them from the miseries? Educate them and get rid of poverty. Butter cook, breadfruit a roast. Bikini a ramp and a run round the house. Grandpa, sit down and a look out the road. As the evening sun goes down, Billy man a build the youths. Full them up a love cannon. Sometimes they feel all battered and bruised. Full them up a love cannon. And I'm the road to recruit all kind of youth. Full them up a love cannon. I've got nothing to prove. Full them up a love cannon. And through the passage of time, I wonder how the youths them make it. No one cares for their lives, so they all get wasted. If there's no role model again, on who can we depend? Happily children follow the trend. Remember this a world without time. Abuse them once but never again. Chatty chatty about Avi and Babylon. I listen last year with dearest friend. So I and I no come to pretend. Oh, I build man, I build the youths. Full them up a love cannon. Sometimes you feel all battered and bruised.
These changes in life, and how people behave, got to protect yourself, yes, in every stage, yes. In these changes in life, in a world of evil, yeah, got to protect yourself, yes, in every stage, yes. Say someone give you a smile, next day they give you a frown. Today they wanna see you up, yes, next day they wanna see you down. No one wanna see no one reach up to the top, yes. They always wanna put you on the ground, yeah. In these changes in life, and how people behave, yeah, got to protect yourself, yes, in every stage. In these changes in life, and the world's evil, yeah, you got to protect yourself, yes, in every stage. Men who say a lot of things, and the rumors they would spread, even when they don't know nothing about you. Always wanna persecute you, slander your name. As far as the eye can see, it's a world of jealousy. In these changes in life, yeah, and how people behave, yeah, got to protect yourself, yes, in every stage. In these changes in life, yeah, world of evil, yeah, always protect yourself in every stage. Show some love, yeah, in your heart, yes. But many stubborn in their way, yeah. They don't know. Oh yes, yes, yes. So you're my interest. You're the best, yes. Nubian princess. Oh yes, yes, yes. So you're my interest. You're the best, yeah. I see I love your fashion and I love your style. Embrace me, see you well versatile. Rastafari queen, Omega profile. I want you there by my side. Woman of creation, give me vibration. What a sweet connection. She give me inspiration, lioness and a lion.
yes. So you're my interest. You're the best, yes. Just like the water that flow. Empress, I love you so. Ain't no stopping, oh no. Come on, let's go. Are you meditation? Come on with the Rastaman. Come make me reach Mount Zion. Young princess. Oh yes, yes, yes. You're my interest. You're the best, yes. Still be young princess. Oh yes, yes, yes. So you're my interest. You're the best, yes. Queen Omega is vital to Alpha. Well, it's a balance on the earth, man and woman love. We have to live together and exalt the Father. Yeah. Bring forth no son and daughter.
Just confusion, confusion, full of division. Babylon is just illusion, illusion, full of corruption. Not everything a signing is a goal. Them a actors and actresses, check them play role. Wherever we go, them treat us like slaves. Going to them airports is the worst place. They say, give me your passport and take off your list. Militant resist, say, give me a screw face. It's a live with the black man. All the rules them set in place are taking place. Well, repatriation, not just words have you put it in action. Repatriation, I'm so thankful me make it in the island. Repatriation, not just a word, should I do it in action. Repatriation, I'm so thankful I'm back in a good island. My music is doing great in a Bangkok. Babylon me them try for bankrupt. Right now I'm going up, can't take no hands up. Cause I know my people love is a must. In a Babylon you can't waste no time. Black people stop and move like a blind. Work you a boy couldn't save no time. To be a poor man in them country is a crime. Right now you can't fall into no trap trap. See the devil man they want us to trap trap. Right now, right time. You gotta be in the movement. I tell you right now, right time. Mama Africa calling. Repatriation, not just words, have to put it in action. Repatriation, I'm so thankful to be back in the island. Repatriation, not just words, have to set it in action. Repatriation, I'm so thankful to be back in a good island. Babylon is just confusion, confusion, full of division. Babylon is just illusion, illusion, full of corruption. It's not everything a signing is a goal. Them are actors and actresses, check them play role. Wherever we go, them treat us like slaves. Going to them airports is the worst place. She said, give me your passport and take off your list. Militant resist, say give me a screw face. It's a live with the poor man.
Be a badness.